Disabling two-factor authentication on Telegram is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Open Telegram. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner menu icon to open a side menu. Then select Settings from the list. Step 3. Select Privacy and Security. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security to access your security options. Step 4. Find two-step verification. Look for the two-step verification option within the Privacy and Security settings. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Disable two-step verification. You will see an option to disable two-step verification. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice and disable the feature. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be turned off for your Telegram account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.